Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. I am so excited for this video because as you can see, I'm not at home. I am actually at Temple Cottage. Temple Cottage is a boutique hotel located in Victoria Island and I'm going to be staying at Temple Cottage for Lagos Fashion Week 2019. I'm so excited whenever I get to stay somewhere new or somewhere different because experiences, I love experiences, and Temple Cottage gives me that home away from home experience. It feels very cozy, very homey. It's a small boutique hotel, but even though it's small, the service is great. The manager Cyril is good. He is very dedicated to making sure that everybody is happy whenever they come here. So I always love coming here because again, service is great. It gives me that wonderful homey cozy feel, and the food here is amazing. Oh my god, the burgers. So I'm going to be taking you guys on a hotel and room tour. I'm going to be taking you guys through the hotel, showing you all the facilities, and I'm also going to be taking you on a tour of my room, which is where I'm sitting right now. By the way guys, I don't know if you can see, but I dyed my hair blue. Yeah. When Coco dyed her hair for her birthday, I had already told her that I'm going to dye my hair. I just didn't know when I was going to do it. Fashion Week was coming up and I was like, you know, it would be a good, a good change, a good, an interesting change to have blue hair for Fashion Week. So I just decided I would do it. I literally did it yesterday, which is Wednesday. Today's Thursday. Today's the first day of Fashion Week. If you guys are interested in finding out more about Temple Cottage, keep on watching. But before we do that, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd love if you subscribe to my channel. Support me, allow my channel to grow. As you're subscribing, please do not forget to click on the notification bell, which will allow you to get notifications of whenever I upload a new video. Without wasting any more of your time, let's get started with today's video. All right, so let us go in to the hotel. This is the entrance right here.
Where's Victor?
This is the reception. Hi, good morning. And then you enter, you have this beautiful archway. And then when you enter through this archway, you see the restaurant, the lounge, and the bar. Since it's a boutique hotel, it has a small restaurant, but the food here is amazing. And this is what the restaurant looks like. This is what the lounge looks like, and opposite the lounge we have a bar that is stocked. So as you walk through the bar / lounge, you go to the garden, which is here. This is a really nice and beautiful garden. I'm definitely going to take some photos here. I'm going to shoot part of the Fashion Week lookbook that I'm planning to shoot. They are in the process of, I think, re-gardening and reforesting and adding some plants here, which is why the ground looks like this. But this is basically what the garden looks like. Has 3 spots where you can sit down and chill. You can have your meals here, you can have breakfast here. I've had breakfast here before when I stayed the last time, and this is what the garden looks like. All right, let me take you guys back inside, and then I'll take you on a little tour of my room. So this stairway leads to my room and leads to the other rooms in the hotel as well. So they have rooms here, and then we have my room. All right, welcome to my room. This is the room I'm gonna be staying in for Fashion Week. Let me take you guys on a quick tour. There's a table right here. This is not from them, this is from Savannah. I just got this. Thank you so much, Savannah. So every room comes with a kettle and it comes with a TV. And yeah, this is my bag of my clothes for Fashion Week. Putting all my clothes here, you can see a little bit of what I'm gonna wear. Then we have these 2 chairs, which I love because it means, like, not everybody's gonna sit on your bed. And then we have the big bed. I've already taken a couple of photos of it, which is why my tripod is out here. I ordered some coffee because gotta start your morning with some coffee. I had a wonderful night's sleep. I don't know if you can see, but my hair, kind of the dye stained the white, and I hope they don't get upset about that. I'm sharing this room with my best friend Coco and with my assistant. Yes, I have an assistant. She's coming in today, so we're gonna be sharing the room. This is a bottle of Imperial Blue. It's whiskey. It's actually really new in Nigeria. They just launched it. I decided that it would do very well at Fashion Week. Let me take you guys to the bathroom. I haven't actually finished unpacking. So this is my box of stuff. I have stuff I need to unpack. I need to lay out. Let's go into the bathroom. Bathroom is pretty simple, pretty sweet. We got the shower, we got the toilet, we also have the mirror. Hello guys. So this is basically the toilet here. This is my room that I'm gonna be staying in. I'm really happy and I'm really glad and really excited. That is it for my hotel and room tour. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you come and visit Temple Cottage. You don't even have to stay here, just come for the food. The food is amazing. The burgers, best burger in Lagos. I will testify anywhere. If you are looking for a place to stay in Victoria Island, I highly recommend here because it's a really small boutique hotel, so you know that they're dedicated to you. They're dedicated to making sure that you are enjoying yourself. Right here, we have 10 rooms. We have everybody on ground. The manager is always around. Everybody is always here to answer to your every need. Temple Cottage is the place, and I'm so grateful that they allowed me to have a nice staycation here. Well, a working staycation, because I'm gonna be, you know, still creating content, doing stuff for Fashion Week. So yeah, I'm really grateful that I'm able to stay here. And if you guys ever come here, if you guys ever stay here, please tag me, please let me know. I would love to see. Thank you so much once again for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up because it helps my channel, and do not forget to be awesome. Also, look out for my Fashion Week vlog, which is coming on Sunday, and look out for my Fashion Week lookbook, which is coming out on Tuesday. No, next week, Thursday. Yeah.